If you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos.
We're back. Aloha, everybody. It is getting to be Halloween time. And why do you like Halloween, Kai?
Because it's close to my birthday.
Because it's close to Kai's birthday. I love to make Halloween and the holidays really fun. Look how cute these are. We made these the other day, and we made them again today. Little pumpkin deviled eggs. Little pumpkin deviled eggs. You can find that recipe on mariamindbodyhealth.com, and we'll have the YouTube video up soon. But today we're making a very special recipe. Keto pumpkin muffins from Keto Comfort Foods. Everybody loves this recipe. Yeah. It is a fan favorite. Give a shout out on Facebook if you love the Keto pumpkin muffins. I'm going to show you how to make it today, and I'm going to give you the recipe on my blog. I love this recipe, especially this time of year, because you know where it came from?
What?
My first job.
Oh.
My first job, I worked at Uncommon Ground in Medford, Wisconsin, and I would get up early at 5 a.m. before school, and I would make the muffins and the scones and the cinnamon rolls, and that's where I became a baker. I love to bake. So Kai, we're gonna get started on these keto pumpkin muffins. And remember, if you share these videos, you could win a book, all right? So Kai, you stand over here, okay? And I'm gonna have you put 1.5 cups of blanched almond flour into this bowl, because we have 2 different bowls. You want 2 different bowls out, yep. There you go. And then we're gonna add a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. There you go.
Put in there.
Yep. Ooh, not the whole bowl. There we go. And we need a little bit of our Redmond real salt. I add a little bit of salt to my desserts because salt is a flavor enhancer. You could use less sweetener and it'll have more flavor. Add 1/2 cup of our Swerve confectioners. We love our Swerve. Add that. And then you're gonna add some spices. We have basically our pumpkin pie spice. We have cinnamon, cloves, nutmeg, and ginger. There we go. And Kai, can you get a fork and start stirring that? And then you want another bowl for your wet mixture. There you go, buddy. I'm gonna actually stir this because I know you like to crack eggs. Crack 3 eggs into another bowl. You just wanna mix the dry mixture together. Sift it together, basically. Yeah, all 3 eggs go into there. I'll get our stuff aside. Good job.
Shells!
Shells! Oh no, shells! And then you could make these totally dairy-free. We have 2 tablespoons of butter, but if you want to make them dairy-free, you could use 2 tablespoons of coconut oil.
See.
Okay. Add this. Oh, you have, okay. Sorry, bud. And you want 1 can of pumpkin, okay? So I'm going to help you out, bud. Yep, add that. Softened or melted butter, okay? And then you want pumpkin. Kai's washing his hands. 1 can of pumpkin, and it's really hard to find pumpkin right now at the stores, I'll tell you what. Okay, and then we are going to, can you mix that with a fork?
Yeah.
Mix that up. All right. And I'm going to spray I have a silicone pan here. I'm going to. It does smell good. I'm going to put that on here, and I'm going to spray the holes. It only makes 6 muffins, but I might get a little bit more out of that. Okay. Now, this mixture is going to go into this one. All right, Kai, can you dump it into here?
Okay.
Ooh, in the bowl. Okay. You want to do this part?
Yeah.
Okay, here you go. Yeah, but keep it in the bowl. All right. While he mixes that, I am going to make the filling, okay? So Kai, can you scoot over a little bit?
Yeah.
Nope, this way. This way. So I have cream cheese, and let's see, where is it? We have cream cheese, and we have 1 egg yolk. I'm going to put 1 egg yolk into that, and I'm going to add 1/4 cup of Swerve, okay? Our Swerve confectioners, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And I'm going to mix this on up. Julia Child says, start with a bigger pot than you plan, than you expect. And I should have done that. That's all right. All right, Kai, that's perfect. I'm going to switch. Now you stir this. And people are going to say, don't eat raw eggs, they're going to say. That's all right. I'm not too afraid of that.
Still good.
It's still good. So you mix that very gently, okay? And I'm going to start filling my muffin tins about 2/3 full, okay? There we go. What's everybody making today? I'd love to know.
That's raw eggs.
If you haven't caught the Dutch baby, remember when we made the Dutch baby pancake? I have a pumpkin pie Dutch baby that we should make a video of. What do you think of that? You liked eating that, didn't you?
Chopping them.
You chopping them. See, I knew I was going to get, these are kind of smaller muffin tins. If you do regular muffin tins, you're going to get 6 muffins, but if you do these smaller ones, you're going to get 12.
Are you want the whipped cream out to make them?
Oh, the whipped cream on the top?
Uh-huh.
Maybe once they're cool, we can add that, but now we have to bake them. You're going to have your oven on to 325. Okay. All right.
Yummy.
Yummy. Oh, I loved working at Uncommon Ground, the coffee shop. That was just the best job. That also was a problem for me because guess what, Kai? Whatever cinnamon rolls and muffins didn't sell that day went home with me. And that just gave me a big old waistline, that's for sure. But that's why I started doing this type of stuff. So into our little muffin holes, I'm going to add this stuff, okay? And if you have a toothpick, you could swirl it in, but I am just going to dollop some on, and the muffin will kind of bake over it, all right? You guys looking for a toothpick. He's not gonna, oh, he's eating the rest of the filling of the pumpkin stuff, you goofball. You can bring it on over here and eat it. It's all right. I don't mind. He's always my recipe tester, taste tester, aren't you, bud? Should I scoot that on over? Wait till you get to have these. They are delicious. And do I have a muffin every day? No, I don't. But in the fall, when I have a craving strike, I don't mind having one of these, that's for sure.
I had a pumpkin when I was a baby.
Okay, we carved pumpkins. Do you remember this, Kai? We carved pumpkins when you were really little, and you were even in a high chair. That's how little you were. And we were digging out the pumpkin goo, digging it out. And what did you do?
Eat it.
He ate it. He ate all of the inside of the pumpkin. It was hilarious. Hilarious. So we have a little bit extra filling, but I'm going to get these right on in the oven because this is really good too.
We have more later.
Can we make more of that filling? You can eat the actual muffins, Kai. How's that sound?
Yeah.
You can have every single one. You can have them for breakfast. All right, so these are going to go into the oven, and we'll catch you back. I know, it's later. We'll catch you back a little bit.
Hi.
We are back. Does it smell good in here?
Yep.
It does smell good. It smells like pumpkin muffins. Here we go. And thanks, Kai. I like using these pans because they come out easy then. But those are our muffins. Careful, they're very hot, Kai. But he wants to put his whipped cream on the top when they're cool. You want some right now?
No.
You said no, sorry. But these are our muffins. They're really, really good. It's almost like that cream cheese becomes the frosting. It's just really yummy and delicious. And what do you want to tell people?
Cook with your kids.
Cook with your kids. Mahalo.
Mahalo. Yay. Ooh, good. That was amazing. Right. Now talking. Whoa! Man. Woo! Really good.